Krishna. Jesus.
What's it with that?
Now go ahead and open your CapCut. On the home screen, click on the plus button to bring in the video you want to edit. Select the video from your gallery. Click on add. Now go ahead and record yourself this way. Rules number 1. Record empty background like this first, right? Thereafter, you can go ahead and play the character this way, right? Now let's head over to the editing properly. Now come to the beginning of this video where you have this empty background, right? At this point, touch on the clip. Then move this icon this way. Click on freeze. Now the freeze has turned this part to picture, right? Now drag the freeze clip to be lengthy enough, right? Now come to the main clip. Manually move forward, right? At this point, click on split. Come back here where you have this empty background. Click on delete to take it out. We don't need it, right? Now with this clip still highlighted, move this icon this way and click on overlay to step it down. Lock hold on the clip and drag it below the freeze clip, right? Now at this point, touch on the clip, manually move forward. You see when you are about to start moving, right? Click on split again, right? With this clip still highlighted, move this icon this way. Click on mask, right? Click on horizontal. Then use your hand to rotate it this way. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Then place it here this way, right? Then touch on horizontal again. Click on feather, then drag feather to 12, right? Then click here, then click on check, right? With this, your video is ready. So let's go ahead and play the video to see the outcome of the editing. In case today is your first time of coming across my tutorial video, do well to like and share for other people to benefit. You can see the result, right? After that, you can go ahead and add any sound of your choice to your video. Then click here to export your video.